Hello students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. This is another question from TIFR 2026 mathematics question. This question comes from true and false section. Okay, so question बहुत अच्छा question है and बहुत easy भी है. So they ask about that the question or the statement is true or false. So देखिए कैसे करते हैं. Let's start. Okay, given that if px is a polynomial which is not equal to x. Okay, so px is not equals to x. Okay, px is a polynomial is not equals to x. That means px is not expressed as simply x. Okay, then the polynomial px minus x divides the polynomial ppx minus x. Okay, so as px comes from cx, that means complex number system. So its px is actually a polynomial because this denotation denote the set of all polynomial with complex coefficient. And we know that a set of all polynomial in complex number system must have a root. Okay, so there exists a let belongs to C such that px minus x equals to 0 because every this is px is a polynomial, x is polynomial, so their difference is also a polynomial, and there should be a root of this polynomial equation because the polynomial comes from the complex number system. So therefore, px minus x equals to 0 has a root, say a. Therefore, pa minus a equals to 0, so which implies pa equals to a. Now, for p px minus x. So if we put x equals to a, then what we will get? We will get this is ppa minus a. P pa means a, that means this is a pa minus a, which is 0. So x equals to a is root of px minus x as well as root of, this is also the root of ppx minus x. So therefore, ये तो हो गया. Is it px? Okay. So yes, obvious. Therefore, px minus x divides ppx minus x. Why? Because we take a as an arbitrary point. So any arbitrary root of px minus x is also a root of ppx minus x. That why we say that px minus x is wholly divide ppx minus x. Okay. So the statement is then the polynomial divides the, yes, the statement is true. Yes, the statement is true. That means px minus x divides the polynomial ppx minus x. Okay, thank you.